Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to expand storage of your Xiaomi TV. To expand storage, you can use a simple USB flash drive. However, if your TV supports USB 3.0, then you should definitely get yourself a USB 3.0 USB flash drive. And if it doesn't, then you definitely should look for 2.0 USB flash drive, and I'm not even sure which one is harder to find these days. But generally speaking, even the Xiaomi models from the same year still do not have the same USB support. For example, models like Xiaomi TV Max 100 from 2025 and also TVS Mini LED from the same year support USB 3.0 connections, but TVA Pro and the TV F Pro series do not support USB 3.0. I'm not sure about all TVA Pro TVs though, but here in front of me I have the F Pro model, and it doesn't support 3.0. And therefore I'm going to be using the USB 2.0 USB flash drive. And generally speaking, just Google which USB type your TV supports, and then get yourself this USB flash drive. And first of all, to expand your storage, we're gonna have to insert your USB flash drive into a computer first and format it properly. So once you inserted your USB flash drive into the computer, open your file explorer and check if there are any important files on your USB flash drive. If there are, back them up on your computer. If there is nothing on your USB flash drive or nothing important, then let's format it. Right-click your USB flash drive, select Format. Then in the file system, select either FAT32 or exFAT, depending on which file system your USB flash drive supports. And if both file systems are supported, then go with the default one. Don't forget to hit the Quick Format checkbox and click Start, click OK, and give it a couple of seconds. Usually it only takes this much for your PC to format the USB flash drive. And once you're ready, let's go to our TV. So eject your USB flash drive from your computer, and then locate the USB socket on your TV. I'm not sure which side it is on. Definitely it's on the back side of your TV, but not sure which edge you should look behind. So most probably on one of the sides of your TV, because putting it on, somewhere in the middle would be too inconvenient. But check one of the sides, and also if your TV has multiple USB sockets, then check which one supports USB 3.0 if you're using USB 3.0 flash drive. In my case, there is only one USB port on the left edge of my TV, behind the left edge of my TV. So let me just quickly insert my USB flash drive into the TV. Also make sure that it sits firmly inside. And after that, we're gonna have to integrate it into our internal storage, and it is done differently depending on which operational system layout your TV runs. And for example, my TV runs on Fire TV as the rest of the F Pro series. So in my case, I'm gonna have to go to settings by navigating to the gear icon, then device and software, then store USB drive, and then format to internal storage. And then wait for a couple of minutes until this USB flash drive is formatted, is integrated into the internal storage, and this way I will be able to store all the applications on this TV on this USB storage. If you don't want to store any applications, if you just want to store an external media, you should either then reformat it to external storage, which is done in the very same way, or simply not format it to internal storage in the first place. But also, if your TV runs on Android TV or Google TV, then after going to settings, you're gonna have to go to device preferences, and then after going to device preferences, oh no, I'm not, no, give me a moment. Yeah, that's right, in the device preferences, and after that, go to storage, and in storage you will be able to select your USB flash drive, and there you'll be able to select migrate data to this storage, and this way you will migrate data to this storage, and if prompted, you're gonna have to format your USB flash drive at the same time, like right before you migrate your data. And so this way you will be able to easily and quickly migrate your applications to your USB flash drive. This feature is not supported on Fire TVs. You're gonna have to do this manually, or your TV will do this automatically in the background. But basically that's how you expand your storage on your TV. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.